Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So I welcome you again in the fundamental course we are doing here. And if you're interested to check out the advanced level courses, then please go through our website www.financialhubindia.com. You can also contact us in financialhubindia@gmail.com. Also, you can get in touch with us in the WhatsApp. To get the WhatsApp number, you will have to visit the website. Then you can knock us in the WhatsApp also. So let's get started with the today's topic now. So in today's topic, we'll be doing a topic where we'll see what is a minor support and resistance and what is a major support and resistance. On the last topic, we have seen how to draw the support and resistance in a trendy market as well as in a flat market, isn't it? So yesterday we just did some basic drawings of support and resistance things, but there will be, but that is not the only way to draw the support and resistances. There will be a lot more to come. We are trying to complete the entire support and resistance on a step-by-step process instead of giving you everything in one shot, you know. So it will be easy for you to capture if I go a step-by-step process. So let's come back to today's topics. While drawing in swings, we have seen we had two different kind of swings: is minor swings and the major swings. So like swings in support and resistance too, we have two different kind of support and resistance: minor support and resistances and the major support and resistances. Now let's see the concept in drawings first, then we'll go to the chart. We know how to draw support and resistances on this uptrending market, isn't it? These are the support areas and these are the resistance areas, right? And every support and resistances has a particular price range, isn't it? Let's say this is a price level of 500 and this was a price level of, let's say, 450, right? And this support was formed in a price range of, let's say, 400. So price goes up and takes resistance on a level of, let's assume 420. So from here price goes up to 420, then it falls back to 400, and then again it shoots up to, let's say, 480 level of resistance, and then from there it falls back to 450. So what I want to mean is that these different support and resistances are nothing but different price levels, right? So we come to know that on 400 level buyers came in and price shot up, and again on 450 level buyers again came in and price started moving up, and on 500 level price again came in, and again we can see a buying pressure from 500 level, right? Now so far all these supports will be calling as minor supports, not the major supports. It will become a major support when we see price coming back down from here and falling back on the previous support area, previous minor support area, right? So let's assume from 500 here price moved up to 550, and then again price come back down towards 500, and from 500 price again moved back up, right? So here on the same price level we got two different supports, isn't it? Price moved up from here for once, and again price moved up from here. So when price moved up from a particular price range for multiple times, it becomes a major support area. Alright, so now we'll be saying 400 is a minor support area since price just pulled back, price just pulled up for once. 450 is a minor support area. Again, we can see the price moving up from 450 for once only. But 500 is a major support area because from 500 area we can see price moving back up for two times. So this becomes a major support area. So in case it again falls back up, again it goes up from here, the significance of this 500 support area will increase more, right? This will be a very crucial level then. See why we are drawing finally these support and resistance areas. The purpose is we want to track at which price level the buyers are hitting the market and which price level the sellers are hitting the market. And if you read the price action happening here in the market, then you can easily see on 500 level buyers are showing their most of the interest. The moment you see the price coming back to hit the 500, instantly you can see the buyers are getting aggressive enough, isn't it? So if next time price again falling back towards 500, will you not try to buy it here? Will be interested to buy it here, isn't it? Based on the price action happening around here, right? So instead of buying in 450, we'll be more interested to buy at 500 because we can see more buying interest coming up in the 500 support level, isn't it? Now let's assume price comes back down here and you bought it here at 500 level. As you have seen in multiple times the buyers are attacking the market at 500. So you decide, okay, this time I'll go for a trade on the 500 level. I'll also buy and I want to join the overall buyers in the market, right? So it comes here, you buy it here. So what do you think? What should be your target? At which price level you want to exit the market? You want to book some profits in the market. Now to exit the market, what do you want to see? What we should see, man? To buy the market, what we have seen? While buying the market, we were searching for a particular price level. We can see the most buying interest coming in, right? Which is a 500 level, and so we bought it here. So while selling it, will also see the same thing. At which price level you see most of the sellers are attacking in the market. Most of the sellers are coming inside the market and they're selling from a particular price area. Which is that price area? That is 550, isn't it? From here price has fallen one time, again it has fallen, so second time, again it has fallen, so third time. So for three times you can see the sellers are attacking the price level of 550 the way the buyers are attacking the price level of 500, isn't it? So if we buy it here, we'll be exiting here, right here. So since we have multiple resistance areas, multiple resistance points here, so we'll be saying this is a key resistance area, isn't it? This 480 is a minor resistance area. 420 is a minor resistance area. This will be considered as a minor resistance area because we have just one fall from that particular price area. But 550 will be a major resistance area, see, since we have multiple falls from that particular area of 550. Alright, so pretty easy what is major and minor resistance. So this resistance can also be shown in a downtrend, isn't it? In a like this, like what we have shown the supports in an uptrend. So in a downtrend, what do you see? Price moves up, so we have a support here, we have a resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, isn't it? Now what if price again goes up and moves down from the same price area, this area, right? So this is a minor resistance, but now this level, this price level, whatever it is, will have to be considered as a major resistance area, and we'll have to really get serious when next time price comes back up to that level. All right, so let's see a few charts on this topic. This is a nifty chart on the daily time frames. So even you can see it in go to 11th April 2014 or May 2014. The year price is moving up, making higher highs and higher lows, very minor swings. So we go up till here, then here, then here, right? So we have a support here, support here, support here. So all these are minor supports because price moved up from there for single time. Price comes down back again from there and it moves up from the level from where it moved up earlier. So now we have seen price getting up from a level for the second time since price again went up from a minor support level, right? So this price level, which is a level of 6736, I guess, doesn't remain a minor support level anymore. It becomes a major support level, correct? Now since we have seen buyers are getting more interest in this price level 6736 or 30 level, so next time when price falls back again, what you will be doing here then? You'll try to buy it here again, isn't it? Because the purpose of drawing this support and resistance is identifying where the buyers are interested and where the sellers are interested, and where the more buyers are coming inside the market so that we can also join them, and the same thing for the sellers. So we see instead of these levels, buyers are showing more interest in these price levels, in this price level, isn't it? 6736. So next time price comes back down here, where to buy it? It won't be so simple. There will be some more strategies, which is a part of the advanced course now. But to reach those advanced level contents, we need to clear these fundamental topics, clear this fundamental concept now. Once price comes back to your major support area, then we start looking for our buying strategy, whatever things we are supposed to look for. But this is the level to buy. So on 6736 level, it can happen I am buying with a different strategy. Maybe you are buying with another strategy which you like. Maybe some other person he is buying with some other strategy. But the 6736 remains the same for all of us. Yeah, and the level won't change for any one of us, because the kind of support the price is showing to me, the same thing is shown to other people even, isn't it? Okay, so we'll try to buy it here, and so we can see there's a third push up from the same price level. All right, so let's see what happens afterwards. Then again price pushed up, and can you see one more major support level? I'm not drawing these swing lines, I'm directly drawing the major support level. This is a price level from where price pushed up for multiple times. So next time we'll be seeing this price level for a buy entry. So I'll draw a line here on this at 7460. All right, and let's see what happened afterwards. Oh, price just pushed up. All right, so next time price didn't come back to that particular level. So this is how we identify these major support and resistances, and we trade accordingly. Again, this is a basic understanding or the fundamental understanding of support and resistance, not everything of support and resistance, right? And what we did right now is just a fundamental part of major and minor support and resistance. All right, once you practice this fundamental part of major and minor support and resistance, and then if I give you the advanced part of it, then it becomes easier for you to capture it. And in our real-time trading, we always mark these key levels on our charts, but we don't just trade these levels blindly. We don't trade it like if you get a major support and price comes back right there, you directly buy it over there. It doesn't happen like that. How the price is arriving on that particular support area. So what I mean by the arrival, price goes up, how the price reached here, this pattern is different, and how the price reached here, this pattern is different, right? So all this price action you need to consider overall at the end of the day to take your final call whether to buy it on the support area or no. So it is never like you have a major support and we just directly buy it over there. No, we have other components to filter the entire price action context, but this is one of the component we will need while doing the advanced analysis. So we must know where is a major support and the resistance areas on the price level, which you already know after this lesson, isn't it? So this is a chart for the natural gas, and here you can see we have a resistance area here, isn't it? Price goes up, it falls down back, again it goes up, it falls down back. So we got selling for two times from this price level, which is around 253, I guess, 250, between 253 and 255. And since we got the rejections for two times on a particular price level, now this price level becomes a major resistance area. So on the third times, you can see how the price was reacting to that particular resistance level, right? Again price falls back down, it goes up, again down. So we have a minor resistance first, then again it goes up and down. We have a second rejections from the same price level. Now it becomes a major resistance area, isn't it? And on the next time you can see how the price is falling from there, right? So this is how the major support and resistance are counted. Oh yeah, and again, it goes down, and again you can see price moved up the same level and again fallen back from there. So there are four rejections. So next time again price moves up, what are we trying to do? We'll try to sell it here again, isn't it? Since we can see the sellers are getting more interest to sell it on this price level, which is around 243. So 243 becomes a major resistance area. So again a clarification, the way you are seeing a price rejecting from this price level perfectly, it doesn't happen so perfectly all the time. For now, the simple things I'm showing you, the easy things I'm showing you, the easy part of the charts I'm showing you, just to make you understand what is a major and minor support and resistance. So there will be a lot of ins and outs in this. We need to learn ahead, we need to learn in our future lessons, right? So when you start practicing this major support and resistance, for now you will be seeing in a lot of places things are not as simple as I'm showing you, right? But Right now my intention is to make you understand with the major or minor support and resistance. That's it. Not other loopholes of this concept or the filtrations of this concept. So just go through the charts and try to see these kind of formations, whether you are able to track it or no. There will be some other formations where you will see there is a minor resistance, then it became a major resistance, but on the third time it didn't react as a resistance at all. And same will go for the support even. This will happen. This picture will come in, and we'll again do this part also, that why this concept again fails and how it fails. A failure of this pattern can be termed in a particular structure and how we can catch that also, right? So I'll see you in the Sunday webinar with this same particular topic. Till then, take care. I'll see you on the next lesson. All right, thank you.